how to disable notifications while playing games on iPhone. So if you want to disable notifications when playing games on your iPhone, then what you need to do is, firstly, you need to tap on Settings. Open up your Settings application. After opening your settings, now navigate on the Focus section. Once you find it, just tap on Focus. Now here you will find the Gaming section. Tap on Gaming. And here you can choose People or choose Apps that you want to disable the notifications from. Firstly, let's go to the People section. If you want notifications from specific people, then you can tap on the plus button and add people or also remove people. If you want to go with the other options, which is apps, you need to tap on apps. Then tap on choose or just simply go with add, which will be on the right side. You can add or remove apps that you don't want any notifications from when you are in your gaming section. After that, go with done, which will be on the top, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.